Hey there! Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, your cozy corner for all things beautiful, practical, and home. If you're new here, oh my goodness, we're so happy you found us. Please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a thing. Today, we are diving into one of my all-time favorite design topics, farmhouse interiors inspired by early spring. Picture soft sage greens, warm linens, wildflower textures, and that gorgeous lived-in warmth that makes a house feel like a home. The best part? These ideas are so versatile. They look stunning all year long. So whether you're redecorating one room or dreaming up a whole new look, this video is packed with tips for you. Drop a comment if you love farmhouse style and let's get started. Let's start from the outside. A true farmhouse facade speaks before you even open the door. Think board-and-batten siding in crisp white or warm grayish, paired with a charcoal or forest green metal roof for that classic contrast. Add black framed windows to anchor the look. For early spring, layer in seasonal charm with a wooden window box filled with trailing ivy, white tulips, or lavender sprigs. A classic lantern-style porch light on either side of the front door adds symmetry and warmth. Don't overlook your mailbox. A matte black post with a simple house number plaque is a small but mighty curb appeal upgrade. Your entryway sets the entire mood of your home, so let's make it count. Start with a shiplap style wall in white or soft cream as your backdrop. Mount a rustic wooden coat rack with black iron hooks for hats, coats, and bags. Mix textures like woven baskets and leather straps for that layered farmhouse look. A slim wooden shoe cabinet with a bench top gives you hidden storage and a spot to sit. Add a tall arched mirror to bounce light and make the space feel bigger. Finish with a jute or cotton woven mat at the door, a small potted herb or eucalyptus branch, and a ceramic tray for keys. Functional and gorgeous. This is where the farmhouse magic really shines. Anchor your living room with a stone or shiplap fireplace as your focal point. Choose a linen or oatmeal-colored sofa. Overstuffed cushions are non-negotiable. Layer a chunky knit throw across one arm and mix your pillows. Floral, striped ticking, and solid sage for depth. A weathered wood coffee table brings organic texture. For spring, introduce a galvanized metal vase with dried pampas grass or fresh tulips as your centerpiece. Open shelving flanking the fireplace lets you display ironstone pitchers, framed botanical prints, and well-loved books. Every detail tells a story. The farmhouse dining room is all about gathered warmth. Start with a solid reclaimed wood dining table. The knots and grain are features, not flaws. Mix your seating, a cushioned bench on one side and mismatched wooden chairs on the other, all tied together with linen seat cushions. Overhead, a statement chandelier with Edison bulbs or a woven rattan pendant creates instant ambience. For your table decor, keep it simple and seasonal. A linen table runner, a wooden dough bowl filled with artichokes, lemons, or spring stems, and linen napkins tied with twine. Stack your favorite ceramic plates on onopen hutch nearby. It's practical and picture-perfect. Oh, the farmhouse kitchen. My absolute favorite. Paint your shaker-style cabinets in a soft white or warm sage green, paired with brass or matte black hardware for that timeless contrast. A panel-ready refrigerator keeps the look seamless. Choose a classic cast iron or cream-colored range stove as your statement piece. It's both practical and stunning. Tuck a small countertop coffee machine in a dedicated coffee nook, surrounded by a wooden tray, linen-wrapped mugs, and a tiny bud vase. Open shelves above display mismatched earthenware and glass canisters. A farmhouse apron sink, subway tile backsplash, and butcher block counters complete the look beautifully. Let's talk about the family room, the space where real life actually happens. Mount your flat-screen TV on a shiplap or reclaimed wood accent wall so it becomes part of the design rather than an eyesore. Frame it with floating wooden shelves filled with plants, baskets, and framed family photos. Choose a plush sectional in a durable cotton or performance fabric. Think warm caramel, slate gray, or oatmeal. A large jute rug grounds the seating area beautifully. Add a wicker or rattan side table and an oversized floor lamp with a linen shade. For spring, pop in a potted fiddle leaf fig or trailing pothose. Greenery makes everything feel alive and fresh. Who says your workspace can't be beautiful? In a farmhouse home, even your office nook gets the style treatment. Choose a slim wooden secretary desk or a floating wall-mounted desk to save space. Top it with a small vintage-inspired desk clock. Those unique tabletop pieces with exposed gears or aged brass faces add so much character. A tiny retro-style radio in cream or sage adds a charming, nostalgic touch. Tuck your reading nook into a window alcove, a cushioned window seat, a wall-mounted book ledge, and a small adjustable reading lamp. A knitted throw and a wicker basket for books completes your cozy corner. This space will make you want to be productive. The farmhouse bedroom is pure, peaceful bliss. Start with a beautiful wooden Orot-iron bed frame. A canopy bed with simple linen drapes feels instantly romantic and rustic. Dress your bed in layers: a crisp white cotton duvet, a quilted linen coverlet, and an abundance of pillows in linen, ruffled cotton, and subtle floral prints. Bedside tables don't need to match. A vintage wooden crate on one side and a small wicker table on the other adds charm. Hang amicrame wall piece or a simple botanical print above the headboard. For spring, bring in a small vase of cherry blossoms or white peonies. Waking up to the tis simply dreamy. Your bathroom deserves farmhouse love too. Choose a freestanding pedestal vanity or a vessel sink atop a reclaimed wood console. It's instantly elegant and rustic all at once. Pair with a polished nickel or matte black faucet. For the shower, opt for classic white subway tile with dark grout, or go bold with a floor-to-ceiling marble look tile and a frameless glass door. Layer in warmth with a wooden bath tray across the tub, a wicker basket for rolled towels, and a small wooden ladder towel rack. Add a glass jar of cotton stems, a soy can line a mason jar, and a hand-lettered linen hand towel. Your bathroom just became a retreat. Yes, we're doing the garage because farmhouse style doesn't stop at the bedroom door. Start with a classic carriage-style garage door in white with black crosshatch hardware details. It's the single biggest curb appeal upgrade you can make. Inside, use open wooden shelving units along the walls for organized, visible storage. Label everything with handwritten craft paper tags and use galvanized metal bins for sports gear, tools, and seasonal items. Hang a vintage-inspired wall clock and a simple pegboard with black hooks for tools. If space allows, add a small potting bench near the side door, perfect for spring planting prep. Even this space can feel intentional and beautiful. Let's head outside to the patio, your spring sanctuary. A true farmhouse patio leans on natural materials and honest craftsmanship. Choose teak or acacia furniture with cream or striped outdoor cushions. A large round dining table with a weathered finish is perfect for outdoor meals. String Edison bulb lights overhead for magical evening ambience. Anchor the seating area with an outdoor jet or sisal rug. For spring decor, cluster terracotta pots in varying sizes with herbs, marigolds, and trailing vines near the steps. Add a simple wooden plant stand with a climbing jasmine or wisteria. A ceiling fan with natural rattan blades keeps things cool and stylish all at once. Let's get into the design language of farmhouse style, because understanding it helps you make better choices. At its core, farmhouse design celebrates authenticity. It values imperfection, natural materials, and the beauty of things that have been well-used and well-loved. Think of it as a blend of feudalitarian roots and romantic charm. Key characteristics include raw wood, hand-thrown ceramics, woven textiles, aged metals, and a palette rooted in nature, creams, taupes, sage, earthy terracotta, and soft black. The key word is layered. Farmhouse interiors never look sparse or staged. They look collected, personal, and real. That is exactly the feeling we're always chasing. Here's one of my most practical tips. Choose your colors before you choose your furniture or accessories, because color is your foundation. For a spring farmhouse palette, I love starting with a warm white base, something like Benjamin Moore's White Dove or Sherwin-Williams Alabaster. Add a soft sage or eucalyptus as your secondary color for cabinetry or an accent wall. Then bring in terracotta, warm brown, and brass as your accent hues through smaller pieces. The secret is to keep your wall colors consistent across spaces so the home flows beautifully. Then let each room's personality come through in its textiles and accessories. This is called tonal layering, and it's the trick every designer uses. Farmhouse furniture is never about trends. It's about investment pieces with soul. When shopping, always prioritize solid wood over MDF or particle board. Look for dovetail joints, hand-distressed finishes, and furniture with visible grain or natural imperfections. Those are signs of quality and authenticity. In the living room, go big on the sofa and size up your coffee table. In the bedroom, a solid wood bed frame is a forever piece. Mix eras intentionally. A vintage-style bench paired with a clean-lined linen sofa creates beautiful tension. Don't match, coordinate. And always measure your space before buying. One well-chosen large piece always beats 3 small mismatched ones. If there's one farmhouse decorating tip that changes everything, it's this: layer your textiles. Rugs, throws, cushions, curtains, and table linens are the fastest way to make a room feel complete and cozy. For floors, start with a natural fiber rug, jute, sisal, or seagrass, as your base layer. Then add a smaller patterned rug on top for warmth and interest. On your sofa, mix at least 3 pillow textures: linen, velvet, and woven cotton. Drape a chunky knit or a cotton blanket over the back. For windows, choose simple linen or cotton curtains in a natural tone and always hang them high and wide to frame the window beautifully. This one trick makes ceilings look taller instantly. Spring accessories are where the real fun begins. The key is restraint. You want the space to feel seasonally fresh, not like a party supply store. Choose a few hero pieces and rotate them intentionally. A galvanized metal watering can filled with tulips on your kitchen counter. A wooden tray styled with a candle, a sprig of eucalyptus, and a stack of linen-bound books on your coffee table. A woven willow basket near your fireplace holding rolled throws. For walls, lean a botanical print or a simple wreath of dried lavender. On your dining table, a spring herb pot, rosemary, thyme, or mint doubles as decor and dinner prep. Every detail has purpose. That's the farmhouse philosophy. Lighting is the most underrated design tool in any home, and in farmhouse style, it's absolutely everything. Think in 3 layers: ambient, overhead, task functional, and accent mood. For ambient lighting, a statement chandelier, whether it's a wrought iron candelabra style, a woven rattan globe, or a lantern cluster, immediately sets the farmhouse mood. For task lighting, choose adjustable swing arm wall sconces or banker-style desk lamps with brass accents. Accent lighting includes candles in ceramic holders, battery-powered fairy lights in mason jars, and small Edison bulb table lamps. Always choose warm-toned bulbs. 2700K is your friend. And always use a dimmer switch. Lighting is the difference between a room that looks good and one that feels incredible. You absolutely do not need to spend a lot to achieve a beautiful farmhouse home, and this is one of my favorite things to talk about. Start by shopping secondhand first. Thrift stores, estate sales, and Facebook Marketplace are treasure troves for wooden furniture, ironstone dishes, and vintage baskets. Paint is your most powerful and affordable tool. A freshly painted door or cabinet changes everything. Swap out hardware on existing cabinets for matte black or brass pulls. It takes an hour and costs almost nothing. Use dried flowers and branches from your own garden as free decor. Decant your pantry staples into glass jars. Style your bookshelf with things you already own. The farmhouse look is about curation, not spending, and that makes it completely accessible to everyone. One of the best things about farmhouse style is that its bones are evergreen. Your shiplap walls, your reclaimed wood table, your linen sofa, these never go out of season. What you swap are the small, affordable accent pieces. In summer, replace tulips with sunflowers and swap linen throws for lightweight cotton. In autumn, bring in dried corn husks, pumpkins, and warm amber candles. In winter, add plaid wool blankets, pine cones, and mercury glass. The color palette barely changes. You're just adjusting warmth and texture. This is the beauty of building a well-edited, neutral farmhouse foundation. You invest once in the big pieces, and you keep the space feeling seasonal and fresh with small, intentional swaps throughout the year. And there you have it, friends, a full farmhouse home tour from the front facade all the way to the patio, with every space in between. Whether you walked away inspired to redecorate your entryway, refresh your kitchen coffee nook, or finally tackle that garage makeover, I hope this video gave you the confidence to start. Remember, farmhouse style is not about perfection. It's about creating a home that feels genuinely and warmly yours. You don't need to do it all at once. Pick one room, one corner, one little change, and let the rest follow naturally. You've got this. If you found this helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. It means the world and helps this channel grow. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for fresh design inspiration every week. Drop your favorite tip from today in the comments below. I read every single one. Until next time, keep making your home beautiful.